Good morning, students. So today we will discuss first PU mathematical induction. So here in this topic they may be asked one or two questions from KCET. Okay. Now before discussing about multiple choice questions, now let us discuss some basic results. Now, what is the meaning of mathematical induction? So, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ mathematical induction ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? So, remember, mathematical induction is the process of proving the general results or general formula. General results ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? ಈಗ you know that say 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on. And so on. Last number we write n. So this is general value. n ಅನ್ನ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ general value or general result. So it is a process of proving the general results or general values. ಯಾವ general values? So 1 it is not general value, 2 is not general, and so on. In general, read it as in general n. n ಅನ್ನ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is general value. ಈ ಜನರಲ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we must apply mathematical induction. Now as you know that in general sum to n terms of AP denoted by Sn is equal to, what is the formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is general value. So this is in general sum to n terms of arithmetic progression. ಈ ಇಂತ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we must apply mathematical induction. Okay. So definition, it is a process of proving the general values or general results. General results ಗಳನ್ನ prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we must apply mathematical induction. Okay. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು mathematical induction ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನನ್ನೋದು? It is a process of proving the general values or general results. Okay. n ಅನ್ನ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಜನರಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಈ ಜನರಲ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we must apply mathematical induction. Now here in general sum to n terms of arithmetic progression denoted by Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 to d. This is general formula. ಈ general formula ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we use the result mathematical induction. Similarly, sum to n terms of geometric progression Sn is equal to a into bracket r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. This is general value. ಈ general results ಅನ್ನ prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we must apply mathematical induction. I hope it is clear, students. So remember, I will repeat once again. It is a process of proving the general values or general results. General values ಅಥವಾ general results ಗಳನ್ನ prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we must apply mathematical induction. Now how to prove? Now to prove by the mathematical induction, it consists of three main steps. Remember, namely step number 1. Now here the result is true for n is equal to 1. n is equal to 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Then step number 2, assuming that the result is true for n is equal to m. n is equal to m. Step number 2 is the result is true for n is equal to m or n is equal to k. Okay, n is equal to k or n is equal to m. Step number 3, the result is true for n is equal to m plus 1 or k plus 1. Either you take k or m plus 1. Okay, k plus 1 or m plus 1. So in all cases the given data holds good. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕೇಸಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದು satisfied ಆಗಬೇಕು. Now here step 1, p of n is a statement involving the natural numbers such that p of 1 is true, p of k plus 1 is true. Whenever p of k is true, then p of k plus 1 is true. Then p of n is true for all natural numbers n. So the process of proving the proposition p of n by mathematical induction. Now step number 2, assume that the proposition p of n is true for some particular induction consists of the following steps. Nori, more steps ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು? Step number 1, verify. Step number 1 ಏನಿದೆ? verify the proposition P of n for n is equal to 1, means the result is true for n is equal to 1. Then the values of n is equal to step number 2, the result is true for n is equal to k or n is equal to m. And to prove that the result is true for n is equal to k plus 1 or m plus 1, that shows P of k plus 1 is true. So conclusion step, conclude by saying principal mathematical induction P of n is true for all natural numbers n. So remember, it is a process of proving the general values or general results. To prove by mathematical induction, it consists of three main steps. Namely, step number 1, the result is true for n is equal to 1. Step number 1. Step number 2, assuming that the result is true for n is equal to m or n is equal to k. Step number 3, the result is true for n is equal to m plus 1 or n is equal to k plus 1. In all cases, the given data holds good. Nodri, step 1, n value 1 substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2, n is equal to next number, ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ m ತಗೊಂಡಾಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3, n is equal to next number, m ದ next number ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that is increasing order m plus 1 term. n is equal to m plus 1 substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ಕೇಸಸ್, ಇವು ಮೂರು ಕೇಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ n. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕೇಸು ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್. ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. Yes. Okay. So, ಈ ಮೂರು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಕಾ. Okay. Now, if you take one simple example, now say here, for example, now you know the related summation of series. Already we are learned in first PU, isn't it? So, sum to n terms of series. Now the question is, prove by mathematical induction that 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on plus n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Right side value, it is sum of n terms. Left side value n ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, this is number of terms. Right side ಅದೇನು, sum of n terms of series. ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಹ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಏನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? n is equal to 1. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1, n is equal to 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಮೂರು ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಒನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, we take prove by mi that 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on plus n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Now here step number 1, for n is equal to 1, take LHS. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇನ್ LHS of last term ಏನಿದೆ ತಾನೆ, n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ? 1. ಸೊ LHS 1 ಆಯ್ತಾ? Then take RHS. Put n is equal to 1. 1 into 1 plus 1 divided by 2. That is 2 by 2. 2 by 2 value 1. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ LHS 1 ಆಯ್ತು, RHS ಕೂಡ 1 ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, step 1 holds good. Hence, the result is 2 for n is equal to 1. Step 1 holds. Okay. Then step number 2. ಏನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? Just you replace n by m. Step number 2, assuming that the result is true for n is equal to m or n is equal to k. n ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ m ಅಥವಾ k ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಗಿವನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on. n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ? m is equal to m of m plus 1 by, this is step number 2. ಹೌದಾ? Then step number ಇದೆ, that is important. n is equal to m substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಯಿತು. Step number 3, the result is true for n is equal to m plus 1. So how to solve? Now here this is nth term. ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. This is nth term. Okay. So last number is n. ಇದರ next number ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? n plus 1. So adding next term, m plus 1th term, adding m plus 1th term, namely start ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, namely adding in LHS of last term ಏನಿದೆ n ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ. LHS of last term ಏನಿದೆ n ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ n ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, m ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ n ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ, ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ, m ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ಸೊ ನೇಮ್ಲಿ ಆಡಿಂಗ್ m ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 on both sides. You know already valid in first PU, isn't it? We get ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on plus m, adding m plus 1 is equal to right side value m into m plus 1 by 2 plus adding m plus 1. Then simplify. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ, ಇದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಈಗ. That equals among these two what is common, m plus 1 common. Okay, m plus 1 common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, m by 2 plus 1. So that is m plus 1 into, take the LCM. LCM is 2. Here m plus 2. Okay. So further simplify. That equals m plus 1 into m plus 2 can be written as, we can write like this, m plus 1 plus 1 by 2. ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Okay, check it. The value of m plus 1, m plus 1 value ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ನಾವು, n ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತು, this is n. Again m plus 1 value is n plus 1 by 2. ಇದೇನು ನೋಡಿ ಉಂಟಾ that answer? Yes, n into n plus 1 by 2. Hence, the result is 2 for n is equal to m plus 1. Hence, by mathematical induction, the result is 2 for all values of n. Means, all values of n means, for n is equal to 1, it satisfies. N is equal to m, it satisfies. And n is equal to m plus 1, it satisfies. Okay. So, definition, it is a process of proving the general results or general formula. To prove by mathematical induction, it consists of 3 steps. Step number 1, the result is 2 for n is equal to 1. Step number 2, the result is 2 for n is equal to m. Step number 3, the result is 2 for n is equal to m plus 1. Either you take m or k. Okay. In all cases, the given data holds good. Very simple concept, students. Okay. Definition perfect ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 1 n is equal to 1, step number 2 n is equal to m or n is equal to k, step number 3 n is equal to m plus 1 or n is equal to k plus 1. In all cases, the given data holds good. Clear, students? I hope it is clear. Girja Patil, got it? Yes, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now here there are some important results. ನೋಡಿ ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಎನ್, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಎನ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಟು ಎನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್. 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on plus n. That is nothing but sigma n. Its value is, remember, n into n plus 1 by 2. Right side it is sum of n terms. Left side value n represent number of terms. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು n value substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it represent number of terms. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ n value substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it represents sum of terms. Okay. Now for example, if you take n is equal to 1 first term, put n is to second term, put n is to second term, put n is 3 third term. Okay. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು n value substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ take n is equal to 1 sum of first term, put n is equal to 2. n is equal to 2 means sum of two terms. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, put n is 2, 2 into bracket 2 plus 1 by 2, 2 cancel, 2 plus 1 3, sum of two terms, 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay. So this is sum of n terms, this is number of terms, this is sigma n. Similarly, they prove by mathematical induction that 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on plus n square, that is nothing but short and sweet form sigma n square. Sigma n square, its formula is, remember, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. That is most important. Already learned in first PU. Yeah? That question was asked in annual examination, isn't it? So sigma n square, or prove by mi that squares of n terms of series is equal to n into n plus 1 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Whereas prove by mathematical induction that cube of n terms of series, like 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on, plus n cube, that is nothing but sigma n cube. Its formula is n square into n plus 1 whole power 2 by 4, or we can write like this, n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole power 2. Both are same. Correct? That is n square, n plus 1 whole square, 2 square is 4. Either n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4, or n of n plus 1 divided by 2 whole power 2. Okay? So then sigma 1 means what? Split of the term sigma. Sigma 1 is nothing but 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many times? N times. So sigma 1 value, remember, n. What about sigma 2? Haga sigma 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 plus 2 plus 2 and so on. That is how many times? N times. That is 2 times n. If you take sigma 3, 3n, sigma 4, 4n, and so on. Okay. Sigma n is n into n plus 1 by 2. Then fifth one is, that is very important, the product of r, in general, r consecutive integers is divisible by r factorial. Consecutive ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 1. Now here, for example, say, if you take one simple example, x plus 1, this is one factor. Another factor, x plus 2, x plus 3, either increasing order, decreasing order. Okay, x plus 4. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, 1 2 3 4, these are consecutive numbers. So how many numbers, how many factors? 1 2 3 4. The product of how many factors? 4 factors. 4 consecutive integers divisible by 4 factorial. ಎಷ್ಟು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೋರಿಯಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ r ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ then the product of r consecutive integers is divisible by r factorial. The product of here in this example 4 factors, which is divisible by 4 factorial. 4 factorial is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, which is divisible by 24. Suppose in one factor ittu ille, say x plus 5. Avyanagute 1 2 3 4 5. 5 terms. So which is divisible by 5 factorial. It depends upon the given factors. Okay. In general, the product of r consecutive integers divisible by r factorial. Remember. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು? I hope it is clear, students.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just in a definition of mathematical induction and some important results. ಈ results ಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, ವಿತ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಒಂದ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್, ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So Abhishek, go for discussion for MCQ questions.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now here, look here. So JW 2014, that is 4 mark. JW ದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 4 mark questions ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 4 mark ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Actual method by using mathematical induction, it consists of 3 steps. It takes time, isn't it? So here the question, 10 power n plus 3 into 4 power n plus 2 plus 5 is divisible by 4 options. Option A 7, option B 5, option C 9, option D 17. Okay. So by using mathematical induction, it takes time. We should prove that 3 steps, isn't it? So easy method. Now given, let P of n is equal to 10 power n plus 3 into 4 power n plus 2 plus 5. Okay. N is natural number. Trial and error method. First you take n is equal to 1. put n is equal to 1. See what happened? N is equal to 1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 10 plus 3 of 4 power n value 1 plus 2 3 correct plus 5. Simplify 10 4 power 3 4 4s are 16 4s are 64 64 into 3 64 into 3 192 correct plus 5. Add this 5 plus 2 7 then 9 plus 1 10 carry 1 that is 2 207. So n value 1 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನು ಬಂತು 207. Observe ಮಾಡ್ರಿ whether 207 is divisible by 7 7 ಟೇಬಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅಥವಾ 5 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅಥವಾ 9 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅಥವಾ 17 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಎರಡು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಡು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಪುಟ್ n is equal to 2. ಓಕೆ ಇದು ಯಾವ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 207 divisible by 7 ನೋಡ್ರಿ 207 by 7 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? Yes
9 sir.
9 good. So which is divisible by 9 exact divide ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. So 9
Yes, sir.
2s are 18 that is
23.
2. Yes 23 which is divisible by 9. So option C. This is shortcut method. This is not actual method for the sake of CET purpose isn't it? But actual method ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? We should prove 3 steps. N is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to n plus 1 or k plus 1. This is shortcut method. What can you do? Take n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ value ಬಂತು. Suppose that value is divisible by any two options. What can you do? Go for next number. Take n is equal to 2. Like that. The answer is option is C. Clear students?
Yes sir.
Okay, fine. Please note it. Go for next one.
Yes sir.
Okay. Yes. Look here. 2 power 3n minus 1 will be divisible by, again same concept, let p of n is equal to 2 power 3n minus 1. Take n is equal to 1. Check it, cross check. P of 1 is equal to 2 power 3 minus 1. Right? So that is 2 power 3 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 is divisible by which number? 7 itself. That is option C. If you take another number, number take n is equal to 2. Check it. P of 2 is equal to 2 power 3 into n value 2. 3 2s are 6. Correct? Minus 1. 2 power 6, 64. Minus 1. That is 63. No, 63 divisible by ಯಾವ number ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Whether 63 divisible by 25? No. 63 is divisible by 8? No. 63 is divisible by 7? 7 table ಅಲ್ಲಿ 63
7 sir.
Yes, 7 is
Yes sir.
63. ಹೌದಲ್ರಿ? So which is divisible by 7. So option ಯಾವ್ದಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 7 is the right option. Okay?
Yes sir.
Okay, fine. Please note. What about remaining students? Got that answer? Got
Yes,
it?
sir.
Okay, Sanjana, Prajwal, fine. Yes. Okay, Sanjana. Yes, go for next one.
Yes sir.
Yes. If n belongs to n, then 7 power 2n. Let p of n is equal to 7 power 2n plus 2 to the power of 3n minus 3 into 3 power n minus 1 is always divisible by, again trial and error method, easiest step, take n is equal to 1. See what happened? 7 power 2 into n value 1, that is 7 power 2 plus 2 power n value 1 ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ತಾನೆ 3 minus 3 0 into 3 power take n value 1 1 minus 1 0. So that is 7 square is 49. Any number to the power of 0 become 1. Again 3 to the power of 0 is 1. So 14 and 1 ones are 1, that is 50. So 50 is divisible by which number? Is it 25 or 35 or 45 or none of these? Yes,
25, sir.
divisible by 25. So option A. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಸೇವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಸೇವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ KCET ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಹಾಕಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಎರಡು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಟೇಕ್ n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, like that. Okay, so option is here A. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next problem. For each n belongs to n, the correct statement is option A 2 power n less than n, option B n square more than 2n, option C n power 4 less than 10 power n, option D 2 power n more than 7n plus 1. So if you take the options and check it, now if you take n is equal to 1, if you take n is equal to 1, so one by one option check ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ 2 power n value by taking 1 less than n value 1. Is it 2 less than 1? No. Option A wrong. Right? If you take option B check ಮಾಡಿ. n value 1 ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ತಾನೆ. 1 square more than 2 n value 1. That is 1 square is 1 more than 2. Is it 1 more than 2? No. Option B wrong. Option C no. n value by taking 1 tane 1 power 4 less than 10 power n value 1, that is 1 power 4 is 1 less than 10. Is it 1 less than 10? Yes. Then if you take option D, one check mark. n value 1 2 power 1 more than 7 n value 1 plus 1, that is 2 power 1 is 2 more than 7 plus 1 8. Is it 2 more than 8? No. So which one is right option? Option C. For n is equal to 1, which one is satisfied? Option C is satisfied. Clear students? I hope it is clear. Archana Patil?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. Please note down. Next problem. For every natural number n of n plus 1. This is last term. N of n plus 1 is always even or odd or multiple of 3 or multiple of 4. Check ಮಾಡಿ. So given P of n is equal to n of n plus 1. Take n is equal to 1 because natural number. N is 1 is natural number. So put n is 1. 1 into 1 plus 1, how much? That is 2. Take n is equal to 2. 2 is natural number. Put n is 2. 2 of 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 2s are 6. Take n is equal to 3. P of 3 is equal to 3 of 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 3s are 12. Observe it. 2, 6, 12. Are they odd number or even number or multiple of 3 or multiple of 4? Which one is right option? Option A. These are even
Even number.
Option
Yes, these are all even numbers, but not multiple of 3. 3 table ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು. 3 table ದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. Of course 6 and 12 ಇದೆ. 4 table ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. So these are all even numbers. So option is A. So remember, n of n plus 1 is always even number. Okay, option A. Next question. For every positive integer, integral value of n means integer n such that 3 power n 3 power n more than n cube when the possible, if possible, option A n more than 2, option B n more than or equal to 3, option C n more than or equal to 4, option D n less than 4. ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Take one by one option. First option ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. First option ಏನಿದೆ, n is more than. Take the number, one number ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, such that more than 2. More than 2 ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ? 3 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Clearly 3 is more than 2, right? Put n is 3. What happened? 3 power 3 more than 3 power 3 implies 3 power 3 is 27 more than 27. Is it 27 more than 27? No, 27 equal to 27 but not more than 27. So option A wrong. Then if you take option B, check point, n more than or equal to 3. N more than or equal to 3. Either n is 3 or more than 3. ಫಸ್ಟ್ n 3 ನು ತಗೋತಾನೆ. n 3 ತಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿದೇವಿ. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 27 more than 27. Is it satisfied? No. So option B ನು satisfied ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. n is equal to 3 ನು ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, more than 3 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ನೋಡಿ, n more than or equal to 4. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ n is equal to 4 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 4 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, 3 power 4 more than n value 4 ತಾನೆ, 4 power 3. So 3 power 4 is 81 more than 4 power 3. 4 into 4 into 4, 64. Is it 81 more than 64? Yes. If you take another number, ಯಾವುದು? more than or equal to 4. Equal to 4 ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ, more than 4. If you take 5, 3 power 5 more than n value 5 power 3. 3 power 5 is 243. More than 5 power 3 is 125. Is it 243 more than 125? Yes.
Yes, sir.
340. Yes.
Yes, sir.
ಎರಡು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾವಲ್ರಿ. n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 4 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 5 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ D1 ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? n ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 4. ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? ಟೇಕ್ 3. 3 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ತಾನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ n value 3 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ, which is not true. So option C is the right option. I hope it is clear. Got it, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Please note. Yes, next problem. The remainder left out when 8 power 2n minus 62 to the power of 2n plus 1 is divided by 9 is, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ 9 ದಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ what is the remainder? That is the question. So given P of n is equal to 8 power 2n minus 62 to the power of 2n plus 1. Okay. How to solve? If you take trial and error method, take n is equal to 1. See what happens? Or if you take n is equal to 0, 1 ಕಿಂತ 0 ತೋಡ್ರಿ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. 8 power 2 into 0 minus 62 2n. n value is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. So 8 power 2 into 0, 0 minus 62. 8 power 0, 1 minus 62. How much? Minus 61. So is it minus 61 is divisible by 0, 2, 7, 8. ಯಾವ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ? This is minus 61 divided by 9 ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಇದು. The divided by 9 ಮಾಡಿ. So minus 61 divided by 9. Or if you take only take 61. 9 5s are 9 4s 9 6s are 54. Okay. So 11 minus 4 7. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Remainder is 7. 7 ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ? Or if you take another number, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ if take in one number, ಯಾವುದು? n is equal to 1. If you take n is equal to 1, so p of 1 is equal to, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 8 power 2 into 1 minus 62 to the power of n value 1. 1 plus 2 3. 62 to the power of 3. 8 square 64. 62 to the power of 3. How much? That is 3844. 3844 multiply by 62.
238328, sir.
How much? 2,
2, 3.
8, 12, carry 1, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 3, 2, 8. Correct? ಹೌದ್ರಿ?
Yes, sir.
2, 3, 8, 3, 2, 8.
2, 8.
ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 2, 3, 8, 3, 2, 8 minus 64 ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 7. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ. 2, 3, 8, 6, 4. 2, 3, how much?
8,
6, 4. 2, 3, 8, 3, 2, 8 minus 64 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ 4.
Yes, sir.
6, 2, 2, 3, 8, 2, 6, 4. Correct? 2, 3, 8, 2, 6, 4. Okay. Now this number is divided by 9. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 9 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. So 2, 3, 8, 2, 6, 4 divided by 9 to find the remainder. So 9 2s are 18. 13 minus 8, 5, 58. Then 9 5s are 9 6s are 9 7, 9 6s are 54. Correct? So that is 4. Then carry 2. Then 9 4s are 36. Okay. So 6. Another number is 6. 9 7s are 63. 3. Here 4. Then 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27. 14 minus 7, 7, 0. What is remainder? Remainder is 7. Correct? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ n is equal to 0 ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. Minus 61 which is divisible by 7. Option C. I hope it is clear, students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you. If you take n is equal to 0, it is enough. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೇಕ್ n is equal to 1. ಸಪೋಸ್ n is equal to 0 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ n is equal to 1. Go for next one.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Problem number 8. 1 plus 4 plus 10 plus 19 plus and so on 3n square minus 3n plus 2 by 2. What it means is the meaning in to find the sum of all terms of series. ಇವನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? By using mathematical induction, it consists of 3 steps. Step number 1, n is equal to 1. Step 2, n is equal to m. Step 3, n is equal to m plus 1. In all cases, the given data holds good. Isn't it? This is the proper method. Leave it proper method. Go for shortcut method. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So here this is last term. ಹೌದಾ? This is last term ಅಂದ್ರೆ nth term. If you take n is equal to 1, it will become first term. Put n is 2, it will become second term. Put n is 3, we get third term. ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಾ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್? ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎರರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ n is equal to 1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ 1. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ n is equal to 2, 2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರ 1 ಕಿಂತ n is equal to 2 ಹಾಕಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? n is equal to 2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? This is LHS. These are all RHS values. Okay. So LHS, put n is 2. 3 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2 divided by 2 is equal to n is 2, you get direct answer. N is 2 means second term. What is second term? Second term means nodi. Second term is n is equal to 2 means second term 4. Okay. Then take RHS. Take the options. ಇದು 4 ಬಂತ. ಈ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 4 ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. n is equal to 2 means sum of two terms. n is equal to 2 means sum of two terms. n is equal to 2. Sum of two terms ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? For n is equal to 2, sum of two terms. Sum of two terms is equal to 5. ಹೌದಾ? n value 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗ. If you take option A, put n is 2. 2 square. Option A ತಗೊಂಡು 2 square 4. 2 square 4 plus 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 2s are 10. No, 5 ಬರಬೇಕು. Option A wrong. Take option B. n is 2. 2 into 2 square 4 plus 1 by 2. 2 2 cancel. 4 plus 1 5. 5 5 equal ಆಗಿದೆ. Option C ನೋಡಿ. n is equal to 2. 2 square 4. 2 plus 1 3 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are 3 2s are 6, which is not equal to 5. No. Option D. Put n is 2. 2 of 2 plus 1 by 2 whole power 2. So 2 2 cancel. 2 plus 1 3. 3 square, which is not equal to 5. Now which one is right option? Option B is the right option. ನೀವು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2. If you take n is equal to 3, n value 3 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರು? Sum of 3 terms. How much? 10 plus 4, 14 plus 1, 15. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ n value 3 substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 15 ಯಾವ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? That is the right option. So here option B. I hope it is clear, students.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, fine. Similarly, next one, try yourself again. Sum to n terms of series, sum of all terms of series. What is the answer? Trial and error method. What can you do? Simple. If you take n is equal to 1 ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡೋಣ. n is equal to 1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? First term. So first term, put n is 1, 1 square 1, 1 into 3, not 1.3, 1 into 3, that is 3. 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 ಯಾವ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಟೇಕ್ 1 by 1 ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ put n is 1, 1 into 1 plus 1 by 2, n value 1, 2 plus 1 3, that is 2 by 3. Wrong. 1 by 3 ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ನೋಡಿ, put n is 1, 1 of 1 plus 1 by 2 of 2 plus 1 3, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2 2 cancel, that is 1 by 3. Option B 1 by 3, 1 by 3. If you take option C, n is 1, 1 by 2 of 2 plus 1, that is 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 2s are 6. Wrong. Put n is equal to 1 in option D, 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 2 by 3. Wrong. Which one is right option? That is option B is the right option. Okay. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, ಇದೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. n is equal to 1 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಒಂದಲ್ಲೇ ಎರಡು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ n is equal to 2. ಓಕೆ. Next problem. For any integer n greater than or equal to 1, the sum sigma k of k plus 1, k is equal to 1 to n. Put k is 1 first term, put k is 2 second term, put k is 3 third term, and so on. Put k is n nth term to find its sum. So actual method, how to solve? Sigma k of k plus 1 is equal to sigma, remove that bracket, k into k, k square plus k. Split of the term sigma, sigma k square plus sigma k. So sigma k is equal to 1 to n. Put k is equal to n because all options in terms of n. So that replace k by n. That is sigma n square plus sigma n. Okay. Then what is the value of sigma n square? Remember, sigma n square is nothing but squares of n terms of series, that is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Sigma n is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Correct? Then among these two, is there any common? Common is nodi n of n plus 1 common theory. So 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2. Okay. Then that equals n of n plus 1. LCM is here 6. 2 3s are. So 2n plus 1 plus 3. That equals n of n plus 1. 2n plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 6. From these two, take 2 common. 2 of n into n plus 1. Here 2 common. That is n plus 2 divided by 6. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So n of that equals n of n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 3. Is there option? N of n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 3. Option,
Option A.
yes, option A is the right option. No, no. Sigma n square, sigma n formula ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Go for next one. Okay. Huh. The sum of first n terms of series 2011 CET ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಿಗಿಲ್ಲಿ easy method. What can you do? Take n is equal to 1 ನರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 2 ನರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. So n is equal to 2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? n is equal to 2 means sum of two terms ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ? 1 square 1 by 1, 1 square 2, 2 square 4 plus 1 5 by 3. LCM is 3. 1 3s are 3, 5 plus 3 8 by 3. 8 by 3 ಯಾವ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ n is 2, 2 square 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 2, 6 by 3, that is 2. Wrong. Take option B, n is 2, 2 of 2 plus 2 4 by 3, that is 8 by 3. ಇದೇನಾ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ n is 2, 2 square 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 10 by 3. Wrong. Option D, put n is 2, 2 square 4 minus 2 into 2 4, 4 minus 4 0 by 3 0. Wrong. So option B is the right option. Clear, students? Just you put n value 1, n value 2, n value 3 like that. Next problem. S of k is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 and so on plus 2k minus 1 is equal to 3 plus k square. Then which of the following is true? S of 1 is correct. Check mark. S of 1 correct ಆಗುತ್ತೆ check mark. So ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? S of k is given 1 plus 3 plus 5 and so on 2k minus 1 is equal to 3 plus k square. Put k is 1, k value 1, LHS. This is LHS. This is RHS. Put k value 1, 2 minus 1, that is 1. What is RHS? Put k value 1, 3 plus 1 square 1 4. Are they LHS equal to RHS? No. So S of 1 is not correct. ಇದು correct ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. Principle of mathematical induction can be used to prove the formula. No. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ mathematical induction prove ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ it consists of 3 steps. N is equal to 1, k is equal to 1, n is equal to 1, n is equal to m, n is equal to m plus 1. But first step satisfied ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. N is equal to 1, that is k is equal to 1 does not exist. Okay. So ಇದನ್ನು option B ನೂ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Then option C, S of k is not equal to S of k plus 1, and option D, S of k is equal to S of k plus 1. Okay, now S of k plus 1 ಮಾಡೋಣ. So S of k plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 and so on 2k minus 1. Adding next term ಯಾವ್ದಾಗಂದ್ರೆ 2k plus 1 next term is 2k plus 1. Adding k plus 1th term, put k ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ k plus 1 ಹಾಕಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ k ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ k plus 1 substitute ಮಾಡಿ 2 of, replace k by k plus 1 minus 1, that is 2k plus 2 minus 1, that is 2k plus 2 minus 1 plus 1. So adding k plus 1 term, namely 2k plus 1 is equal to 3 plus k square adding 2k plus 1. ಹೌದಾ? Then simplify. So that is equal to 3 plus, simplify RHS. K square plus 2k plus 1, I think it is perfect square. That is k plus 1 whole power 2. Correct? 3 plus, put k plus 1, call it as big K square. So, is big K and toward. So here 3 plus k square. Here 3 plus k square is the value of S of k. 3 plus k square is the value of S of k. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತು? S of k. S of big K. That is S of big K value how much? K plus 1. So ಏನಾಯ್ತು? S of k is equal to S of k plus 1. Option D is the right option. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please note down. Next, 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 into 5 and so on up to n terms. Means sum of all terms is equal to. Which one is right option? ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Check it. Easy method. What can you do? Take n is equal to 1. For n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1 means first term. What is first term value? 1 into 2 into 3. How much? First term. 6 ತಾನೆ? 6 ಯಾವ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? ಬೈ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ n is equal to 1. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Put n is 1. 1 into 1 plus 1. 1 into 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3n plus 5. 3 plus 5, 8. Divided by 12. 2 ones are 2 six are 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 ones are 2 fours are, that is 4, which is not equal to 6. Option A wrong. Then take option B. Put n is 1. n value 1 ಹಾಕಿ option B ದಲ್ಲಿ 1 of 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, 1 plus 3 4 by 4, 4 4 cancel, 3 twos are 6 is equal to 6. Option B. What about option C? ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. n is 1. 2, 1 plus 1 2, 2 twos are 4, 1 plus 1 2, 4 twos are 8, 1 plus 3 4, 8 threes are 24. Wrong. Option D wrong. So option B is the right option. Clear? Yes. Next problem. 2 power 3n minus 7n minus 1 is divisible by. Yes. ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ನೋಡೋಣ. So here given P of n is equal to 2 power 3n minus 7n minus 1. Now trial and error method, if you take n is equal to 1, 1 substitute ಮಾಡಿ. So P of 1 is equal to 2 power 3n value 1, that is 3, minus 7n value 1 minus 1, 2 power 3 8, minus 7 minus 1 how much? 0. So 0 is divisible by, yes, 64 as well as 36, 49 and 25. ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಆಗ್ತವೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 0 is divisible by 64. ಹೌದು, 64. 0 divided by 64, again 0. 0 divided by 36, 0. 0 divided by 49, 0. 0 divided by 25, 0. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಆಪ್ಷನ್? 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಡೂ? ಟೇಕ್ ಎನಿದರ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಟೇಕ್ n is equal to 2. n is equal to 2 ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Put n is 2. P of 2 is equal to So 2 power n value 2, 3 2s are 6, minus 7 into 2 is 14, minus 1. 2 power 6, 64, minus 14 minus 1, minus 15. 64 minus 15, how much? That is 49. Yes. 49 is divisible by which number? Is it 64? No. Is it 36? No. Is it 49? Yes. So 49 is divisible by 49. So option C is the right option. Okay. Next problem. Yes, try this. Sum to n terms of series 1 into 3 plus 3 into 5 plus 5 into 7 and so on. Again, trial and error method. What can you do? Shortcut method. Take n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2 means sum of two terms. Two terms is 1 into 3, 3 plus 3 into 5, 15. How much? 18. 18 number ಯಾವ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ by taking n is equal to 2? Check it. Option A, put n is 2, 2 by 5, n is 2, 2 square, 4 3s are 12, plus 14 plus 5. That is 2 by 5. How much? 26 plus 5, 31. That is not equal to 18. Option A wrong. Take option B. Put n is 2, 2 by 2, 2, n square, 2 square 4, 3 into 2 6, plus 1, 2, 2 cancel, 8 plus 6 plus 1. 14 plus 1, 15. No, which is not equal to 18. So option B wrong. Take option C. Option C nodi. Put n is 2, 2 by 3. N value 2 square, 4 4s are 16. 6 4s are 24 minus 1. So that 2 by 3. 16 plus 24, 40. 40 minus 1, 39. Correct? Yes. 3 ones are 3 13s are. Correct? This is 27 ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. That is 12 ತಾನೇ ಇದು. N value 2. 2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ 6 into 2, that not 6. Here 6 into 2 not 24, that is 12. 16 plus 12, 28. 28 minus 1, 27. 3 ones are 3 nines are. 9 twos are 18. 18 is equal to 18. Option C is the right option. Okay. Next problem. Sum to n terms of series 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 and so on. Actual method. How to calculate actual method? Here observe it. Sum of all even numbers. So what is last number? Last number is 2n. Tani. Last number is 2n. So that is tn. Nth term is 2n. Now the question is to find sigma Sn. Sn is equal to sigma 2n. That is 2 into sigma n. This is actual method. Sigma n formula n into n plus 1 by 2. So 2 2 cancel. So that is n of n plus 1. This is actual method. Option A. Trial and error method, put n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2 means sum of two terms. 4 plus 2 6. 6 ಬರಬೇಕು. n value 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3 into 2 6. So this is trial and error method. So option A is the right option. Okay. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, 17th problem. 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus 13 and so on. Check it. Put n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3 and so on. Put n is 2. 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? n is equal to 2 means sum of two terms. For n is equal to 2, sum of two term is 4 ತಾನೆ. 4 ಯಾವ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Take option A. Put n is 2. 2 of 2 square 4 3s are 12 minus 1 11 by 2. 2 2 cancel, that is 11, which is not equal to 4. Option A wrong. Option B ನೋಡಿ. Put n is 2. 2 of 2 square 4 plus 2 by 3. That is 4 plus 2 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 by 3, that is 4, is equal to 4. So option B correct. Then option C one check ಮಾಡಿ. N is 2. 2 n square, n value 2. 2 square 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9 by 3. 3 1s are 3 3s are 3 2s are 6, which is not equal to 4. So option B is the right option. What about option D? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Put n is 2. 2 of 2 square 4. 4 4s are 16 minus 1. 15 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3 5s are, that is 10. No. So option D is the right option. Option B is right. Okay. Please note. Next. Yes. Try yourself. 1 by 2 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 8 plus 1 by 8 into 11 and so on. 1 by 3n minus 1 into 3n plus 2. 2007 CET. So trial and error method, take n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2 means sum of two terms. Sum of two terms. 1 by 2 into 5 10. 1 by 8 into 5 40. ಹೌದಾ? n is equal to 2 200. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? LCM is 40. 1 10 4s are 41s are 4 plus 1 5 by 40. That is nothing but 5 by 40 is nothing but 1 by 8. 1 by 8 ಯಾವ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? If you take option A, n is 2. 2 by 6 into 2 12. 12 plus 3 15, which is not equal to 1 by 8. Option A wrong. Option B, n value 2. 2 by 6 2s are 12 minus 4 8. 2 by 8 is 1 by 4, which is not equal to 1 by 8. Option B wrong. Then option C. Option C. Option C ಏನಿದೆ? n plus 1 by 6n plus 4. n value 2 plus 1 3 by 6 n value 2. 6 2s are 12 plus 4 16. Is it 3 by 16 is equal to 1 by 8? No. Take option D, n value 2 by 6 into 2 12 plus 4 16. 2 1s are 2 8s are, that is 1 by 8 is equal to 1 by 8. So option D is the right option. Okay. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. If n is positive integer, then nq plus 2n is divisible by trial and error method. P of n is equal to nq plus 2n. Take n is equal to 2. 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. 2 cube 8. 2 2s are 4. That is 12. So 12 is divisible by, which is divisible by which number? 3. ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ? 12 is divisible by 3. 3 table ಅಲ್ಲಿ 12 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? As well as divisible by 2 itself. 2 also. As well as divisible by 6. We got more 3 answers. B, C, D. What can you do? Go for next number. Take n is equal to 3. 3 substitute ಮಾಡಿ. 3 power 3 plus 2 into 3. 3 cube 27. 2 3s are 6. How much? 33. Right? So 33 is divisible by which number? Is it 2? Is it 6? Is it 15? No, that is 3. Option B. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Next now, CET 2010, the number 49 square minus 4 into bracket 49 cube minus 49 is divisible by option A 5 factorial, 6 factorial, 9 factorial, 7 factorial. So observe the options. All options are in terms of factorial. So factorial del ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನಂದ್ರೆ you must remember the concept. What is that? The product of r consecutive integers is divisible by r factorial. Now what can you do? First to split up the factors. ಇದನ್ನು split ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ factors ಹೇಗೆ? So 49 square minus 4 into 49 cube minus 49 is equal to 49 square minus 4. 4 can be written as 2 square. It is in the form a square minus b square. You know that a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ಲ? A minus b into a plus b. Here 49 cube minus 49, among these two take 49 common. That is 49 square minus 1. So 49 minus 2 into 49 plus 2 into 49. Again, it is in the form a square minus b square. A square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. So this is 49 minus 2 is 47. 49 plus 2 is 51 into 49. 49 minus 1 is 48. Then 49 plus 1 is 50. Rearrange in ascending order. First number 47, second number 48, third number 49, fourth number 50, fifth number 51. These are consecutive numbers. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the product of 5 consecutive numbers is divisible by 5 factorial, because 5 factors are there which is divisible by 5 factorial. That is option A. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Please note it. Next problem. The nth term of series. Yes, which one is right option? Check it. 4 plus 13 plus 28 plus 49 and so on. What is the nth term of series? Which one is right option? Try this. Option A. Correct? Huh? Oh. Nth term, not sum of n terms. Nth term means if you take n is equal to 1, first term, n is equal to 2, second term, n is equal to 3, third term, n is equal to 4, fourth term. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವೇನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ? n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ? Take n is equal to say 2. Then n is equal to 2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? LHS n is equal to 2 means second term 30. Put n value 2 in these options. Option A, put n is 2. 3 into 2 square plus 1. 2 square 4. 4 3s are 12 plus 1. 30. Then option B check ಮಾಡಿ 13 13 correct. Option B 2 into n value 2. 2 square 4 plus 1. 8 plus 1 9. Wrong. Option C check ಮಾಡಿ 3n square, 3 into 2 square 4, minus 1, 12 minus 1, 11, wrong. Option D, 3n square is 4 plus 2, 12 plus 2, 40. No. So which one is the right option? Option A. Clear? Please note. Next problem. Sigma n is equal to 1 to n 1 by 4n minus 1 into 4n plus 3 is equal to. First, to split up the term given data. So n is equal to 1 to n. Put n is equal to 1 first term. What is first term? For n is equal to 1. First term में होते हैं 1 by 4 n value 1 4 minus 1 3 into n value 1 4 plus 3 7. Put n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2. 1 by 4 2s are 8 minus 1 7 into n value 2. 4 2s are 8 plus 3 11. Put n is 3. 1 by 12 minus 1 11. 12 minus 1 11. N is 3. 12 plus 3 15. And so on. Nth term is given 1 by 4n minus 1 into 4n plus 3. First, remove the term sigma. This is the series. Now check it. Now if you take n is equal to 2, we take n is equal to 2 means sum of two terms. What is sum of two terms? ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. 1 by 2 7 3s are 21. 1 by 11 7s are 77. N is equal to 2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ. So take the LCM, or if you take n is equal to 1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ easy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. You can further simplification, it is lengthy process. So if you take n is equal to 1, it will become only first term, that is 1 by 7 3s are 21. Okay, 1 by 21 ಯಾವ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Which one is right option? Put n is 1. n value 1 ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? What is option A? n value 1 2 by 3 into 4 plus 3. 2 by 4 plus 3 7 3s are 21. Wrong. Option B, n value 1 1 by 3 of 4 minus 1. So 1 by 3 into 3 1 by 9. No, which is not equal to 1 by 21. Option C, put n is 1 1 by 3 of 3 plus 4 7. That is 1 by 21. Yes, option C. Option D, n value 1 1 by 4 plus 3 7. 7 into 3 21. ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Option C as well as option D. Both are correct. ಎರಡಿದವು. So what can you do? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? Go for n is equal to 2. Next, check it. For n is equal to 2. Among C and D, which one is right option? So C and D, that is if you take n is equal to 2 means sum of two terms 1 by 21 plus 1 by 77. So LCM of 77 and 21. What is the LCM of 77 and 21? Yes, 7 11s are 7 3s are 11 1s are 3s are 3 1 1. 33 7s are 231. So LCM is here 231. Correct? Then
Yes, sir.
21 11s are here 77 3s are 11 plus 3 14. 14 by 231. Divide ಮಾಡಿ 231 divided by 14. 14 by 231. 14 ones are 14 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 231 ಟೇಬಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. So here 231 divided by 14. 14 ones are 14. 14 twos are ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? So this is 11 ones are 11, 21 11s are. This is 77 threes are. Correct ಇದಲ್ಲ? 11 plus 3 14. 14 by 2 31. So ಯಾವ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. 14 ones are 14, 3, 131. 231. Yes, just you make it as mistake here. So here this is option D. 3 of 4n minus 3, not plus 3. 3 of more 4n minus 3. Make it correction. So that option C is right option. Okay. Correct? Huh? Option C. 3 into 7 plus 1 by 7 into 11. Okay. So 77, 21, 231, 21 11s are 77 3s are. 3 plus 11, 14 by 231. Okay. So for n is equal to 1, that is option C is right options. Okay, students? Let's make it correction. This is 4n minus 3, not plus 3.
Yes, sir.
This is 1 plus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 square plus 7 by 2 cube and so on infinity is equal to. ಇಲ್ಲಿ trial and error method ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ because infinity is given. So given data, let S is equal to 1 plus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 square plus 7 by 2 cube and so on infinity. Verify whether this series is it in geometric progression. ನೋಡ್ರಿ geometric progression ಐತನೆ ಇದು. Geometric progression means definition of GP. Next topic ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Just to remember, any term divided by previous term is always constant. That is known as geometric progression. For example, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and so on, it is in GP. Because any term, take any number, say 8, divide by previous number 4, how much? 2. If you take another number, 32, divide by previous number 16, 32 by 16, 2. This is constant. Okay. Any term divided by its previous term is always constant. That is known as geometric progression. Check ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ. If you take any term 3 by 2 divided by previous number 1, that is 3 by 2. If you take another number 5 by 2 square, 2 square is nothing but 4, divided by previous number 3 by 2, that is 5 by 4 into 2 by 3. 2 ones are 2 threes are 2 twos are 5 by 6. This is 5 by 6, this is 3 by 2. That is not in common ratio. So that the given data, it is not in geometric progression. This is not in GP. GP ಒಳಗಿಲ್ಲ. So make it as GP. What can you do? In this series, what is common? ಈ ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ common ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. 1 by 2 common ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ. So that multiply equation 1 by 1 by 2. 1 by 2 ದಿಂದ multiply. 1 by 2 S is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 into 1 by 2 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 3 by 2 square. 1 by 2 into 5 by 2 square 5 by 2 cube. 1 by 2 into 7 by 2 cube 7 by 2 power 4 and so on infinity. Okay, then simplify, subtract these two. To convert given data in GP, equation 1 minus 2 gives S minus 1 by 2S is equal to first number write as it is 1 plus second number ಏನಿದೆ 3 by 2 minus 1 by plus next number 5 by 2 square minus 3 by 2 square plus and so on infinity. So simplify S minus 1 by 2S. LCM is 2. 2S minus 2S minus 1s is s by 2 is equal to 1 plus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, how much? LCM 2. 3 minus 1, 2 by 2, that is 1. Correct? Plus 5 by 2 square, 4 minus 3 by 2 square, 4. 5 by 4 minus 3 by 4, 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Next number, after simplification, 1 by 2 square, then 1 by 2 cube, and so on, infinity. So that is 1 plus. Clearly, this series, it is in geometric progression. Clearly, it is in GP. Here, first term of GP, A value 1. Any term divided by previous number is always constant. That constant is known as common ratio. Verify any term. Take 1 by 2, divide by previous number 1. 1 by 2 by 1 is 1. 1 by 2. If you take another number, 1 by 2 square divided by 1 by 2, again 1 by 2. So common ratio is 1 by 2. So sum to how many times? Infinity times. You know the formula. Sum to infinity of geometric progression already valid in first PU. S infinity is equal to A divided by 1 minus R. That is the formula. A value 1 by 1 minus R value 1 by 2. So that is 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2. LCM is 2. That is 1 by 2. Correct? 2 minus 1, 1 by 2. So that is equal to 1 by 1 by 2 is 2. So this is, its value is 2. So S by 2 is equal to 1 plus 2 is 3. Cross multiply S is equal to 2 into 3. 6. Option is there. Sum to infinity of series 6. That is option D is the right option. Okay. Please note it. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Go for next one.
Yes, sir.
The 25th term of series is 3 plus 15 plus 35 plus 63 and so on. Now check it. Is it given data? Is it in arithmetic progression? AP ಒಳಗಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 3, 15, 35, 63. Is it in AP? No, this is given data. So A1 is the sequence. It is not in AP because what is the difference of these two? Here 12. Here difference is not 12. That is more than 12. Here difference is more than 12. So that it is not in arithmetic progression. Now to convert AP, how to convert it? What is difference of these two? 12. What is difference of these two? Is the difference ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 20. What is difference of these two is how much? 28. ಅಲ್ಲ? Again, is it in AP 12, 20, 28? Yes, because difference of these two is 8. Here difference is 8. Correct? This is second sequence 8. This is third sequence. Go on, continue this method till you get difference is same. Same ಬರೋರಿಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Therefore, nth term of series ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ AP ಒಳಗಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ to convert like this. So nth term is equal to first term A1 plus second term A2 into one number less n minus 1. Third term A3 into n minus 1 n minus 2 divided by 2 factorial. Suppose one more term is there, a4, how to write? Plus a4 into n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 by 3 factorial and so on up to nth term. Okay, here only 3 terms. Okay, now substituting the value. A1 value is 3. A1 value is 3, first number. A2, second number is 12 into n minus 1. Third number A3, 8 into n minus 1, n minus 2 by 2 factorial is nothing but 2. 2 ones are 2 fours. Now the question is 25th term. Put n is equal to 25. Therefore, 25th term is equal to 3 plus 12 of 25 minus 1 plus 4 of 25 minus 1 into 25 minus 2. 3 plus 25 minus 1, how much? 24. 12 into 24 plus 4 into 24 into 23. So 3 plus 12 24s are multiply, that is 288 plus 22 fours are 16, that is 96. Then into 23 into 23 18, that is 18 19, that is 2208. Add these 8 plus 8 16 plus 3 19. Carry 1, 1 plus 8 9. Then 2 plus 2 4. Then 2. 2 4 double 9 is their option 25th term. Yes,
Option B, sir.
B is the right option. So ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಅದು AP ಒಳಗೆ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್, ಗೋ ಆನ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಟಿಲ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ? 0 ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ nth ಟರ್ಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Tn is equal to A1 plus A2 into n minus 1 plus A3 into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 2 factorial plus A4 into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 by 3 factorial plus and so on. Okay. This is the nth term of the formula. So option is B. Okay, students.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next ನೋಡೋಣ. Go for next one. Note ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Yes, sir.
Next problem. Sigma n cube into sigma n is equal to sigma n square whole power 2. Then option A n is equal to 3, option B n is equal to minus 1, option C n square is minus 3, option D is n is equal to 1. So trial and error method ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಥವಾ actual method ನೋಡೋಣ. So actual method ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Sigma n cube into sigma n is equal to sigma n square whole power 2. But sigma n cube formula you know, that is n square into n plus 1 whole power 2 by 4. Sigma n formula n into n plus 1 by 2. Sigma n square formula n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 whole power. Simplify. So here n square of n plus 1 whole power 2 by 4 into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to n square into squaring n plus 1 whole square into 2n plus 1 whole square by 36. So among LHS and RHS, what is common? N square common. N square cancel. Then n plus 1 whole square, n plus 1 whole square cancel. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. So 4 2s are 8 or 4 1s are 4 9s are. Correct? Then what is remaining value? Remaining value ಏನು ಉಳಿತು ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ. So 1 by 2 of n into n plus 1 is equal to 2n plus 1 whole power 2 by 9. Okay. Then trial and error method. Check it. n is equal to 3 substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Put n is 3. 3 substitute ಮಾಡಿ LHS RHS equal ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? For n is equal to 3. So LHS 1 by 2 into 3 into 3 plus 1 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are, that is 6. RHS n value 3. 2 into 3 6 plus 1 whole power 2 by 9. 7 square 49 by 6. No, n is 3, not LHS equal to RHS. Then take n is equal to minus 1. N is equal to minus 1 substitute ಮಾಡಿ LHS. Put n is minus 1. So 1 by 2 into minus 1 into 0. That is 0. What RHS? N value minus 1 ತಾನೆ. Minus 1 ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Minus 2 plus 1 whole power 2 by 9. That is 1 square 1 by 9. Wrong. LHS is not equal to RHS. Next number, n value minus 1 आया. Take n square is equal to 3. N square is equal to minus 3. Then LHS 1 by 2. N square is minus 3. Does not exist because here n square, n value root of minus 3. That is not a real number. So option C is also wrong. Then take n is equal to 1. ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡಿ. N is 1. So option C, it is not a real number, it is complex number. So take n is equal to 1. LHS 1 by 2 into 1 into 1 plus 1 2. 2 2 cancel 1. Then RHS n value 1. 1 plus 2 into 1 2 plus 1 whole power 2 by 9. 3 square 9 by 9, that is 1. So LHS equal to RHS. Which one is right option? Option C, D is the right option. Option D ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ? Does not belongs to real number. It is complex. N square is minus 3 ಆದ್ರೆ n value is root of minus 3. Does not belongs to real number. Okay. So option D is the right option. I hope it is clear. Sanjana, got it?
Yes, sir.
Rohit, okay. Please note. The value of 4 cube plus 5 cube plus 6 cube and so on 10 cube is equal to. Now here you know the formula. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on n cube is equal to sigma n cube. Now 1 to n. But here the question is 4 to 10. Here, therefore, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube, put n is equal to 10, 10 cube is equal to sigma 10 cube. But we need 4 cube onwards. Now, ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು 4 cube. Therefore, 4 cube plus 5 cube plus 6 cube and so on 10 cube is equal to sigma 10 cube. That 3 terms goes to right side, minus 1 cube, minus 2 cube, minus 3 cube, take minus common, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube. Correct? ಅವನು ಕೇಳಿರೋದು 4 ಇಂದ 10 ಕೇಳಿದಾನ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ 1 to 10. So therefore 4 to 10 is equal to 1 to 10 minus 1 to 3. Okay. So that is sigma 10 cube. Sigma n cube formula ಏನಿದೆ? n square into n plus 1 whole power 2 by 4. But the value of 10. So that is 10 square into 10 plus 1 whole power 2 by 4 minus 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27. Then simplify. So that equals 10 square 100, 10 plus 1 11 square 121 divided by 4 minus 27 plus 1 28 plus 8 36. 4 ones are 4 25s are 121 into 25 multiply, that is 3025 minus 36. How much? 3025 minus 36. 15 minus 6 9, that is 8, then 9, then 3 minus 1, that is 2. 2989 is their option. This is the value of 4 cube to 10 cube. 2989. Option C is the right options. I hope it is clear. So
Yes, sir.
remember 1 to n cube formula ಬೇರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು 1 ದಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, 4 ದಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Therefore 4 to 10 is equal to 1 to 10 minus 1 to 3. Okay. Go for next one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, simple question. The sum of cubes of 3 successive natural numbers is divisible by successive natural numbers 1 by 1. What are the natural numbers? Counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Okay. In general, sum of 3 successive natural numbers. Take general. So let the numbers be. Let the numbers be say in general n successive natural number. Next number n plus 1, next number n plus 2. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, take n is 1 1 1 plus 1 2 1 plus 2 3 1 plus 3 4 like that. This is successive natural numbers. Now according to the question, the sum of cubes ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? n cube sum plus n plus 1 whole cube plus n plus 2 whole cube is divisible by which number? So trial and error method. Take n is equal to 1. Put n is 1. See what happened? 1 cube 1, 1 plus 1 2 cube, 1 plus 2 3 cube. How much? 1 plus 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27. 27 plus 1 28 plus 8 36. 36 is divisible by, which is divisible by 6 as well as 9. 6 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ 9 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎರಡು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So what can you do? Go for next number. Put n is 2. 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿ. 2 cube 8. Okay. 2 cube 8 plus n value 2 plus 1 3. 3 cube 27. N value 2. 2 plus 2 4 cube 64. Add these three. So 64 plus 27 plus 8, that is 99. So 11 plus 8 99. So 99 is divisible by which number? Is it 6? No. Is it 9? Yes. Is it 27? No. Is it 8? Wrong. So that is divisible by 9. That is option B. n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಬೋತ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಎರಡು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಟ್ರೈಲ್ ಎಂಡರ್ ದಟ್ ಪುಟ್ n is equal to 2. ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎರಡು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ n is equal to 3. Okay, so which is divisible by 9? Option B. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Please note. Okay. Next one. The product of four consecutive natural number is divisible by, yes, you know the formula. You know that the product of r consecutive integer is divisible by r factorial. What is the value of r is here? 4. So 4 consecutive number is divisible by 4 factorial tane. Correct? Huh? So that is 4 factorial is nothing but 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So option C is the right option. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Rohit, got. Yes. Next question. JEE-2013. N is natural number. Then which of the following is right option? ಯಾವ್ದು ರೈಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ n is equal to 1, option A check ಮಾಡಿ. Put n is 1, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square and so on. N value 1. 1 square less than 1 square by 3 implies 1 square is 1 less than 1 by 3. Is it 1 less than 1 by 3? No, wrong. Option A, wrong. Take option B. Put n is 1, 1 square is equal to n value 1, 1 cube by 3 implies 1 square 1 is equal to 1 cube 1 by 3. Is it 1 is equal to 1 by 3? No, wrong. Option C. Put n is 1, 1 square more than 1 cube. 1 square is 1, more than 1 cube is 1. Is it 1 more than 1? No, wrong. What about option D? Put n is 1, 1 square more than 1 cube by 3 implies 1 more than 1 by 3. Is it 1 more than 1 by 3? Yes. So option D is the right option. Clear, students? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. Yes, last problem. The 50th term of series is 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 11 plus 18 and so on. Again check it. So whether given data, is it in arithmetic progression? Note the AP ಒಳಗಿದೆನಾ? What is difference of these two? 1. Difference is 3. No, it is not in AP. This is first series. Then take the difference. Difference of these two is 1. 3 minus 2 1. 6 minus 3 is 3. 11 minus 6 is 5. 18 minus 11 is 3. Are they in AP? No, AP ಒಳಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಾ? So that is not in AP. So again take the difference. This is A2. Then take the difference A3. Difference of these two, 3 minus 1 2. 5 minus 3 2. Again 3 minus 5 minus 2. Correct? Huh? So 11 minus 6 5. 18 minus 11, not 7, not 3. Here 7 ala. Difference is 1, difference is 3. Here difference is 5, difference is 7. Now here difference is 2. Then A4. What is difference? 0 0. So therefore 50th term, you know that nth term ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? So Tn is equal to A1 plus A2 into n minus 1 plus A3 into n minus 1 n minus 2 by 2 factorial. Okay, plus A4 is 0 and so on. Now the question is to find T50. T50 ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ A1 ಆಮೇಲೆ 50 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So A1 value is 2, A2 value 1 of n minus 1, A3 is 2 of n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 2 factorial is nothing but 2. 2 cancel. Okay, then simplify. 2 plus n minus 1 plus, open the bracket, n into n square, n into minus 2 minus 2n minus n minus 3n minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2. So rearrange, that is n square, n minus 3n minus 2n, 2 minus 1, 1, 1 plus 2, 3. So that is n square minus 2n. Then plus 3 can be written as plus 1 plus 2. ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ಲ? Plus 1 plus 2. Now n square plus 2n, n square minus 2n plus 1, it is perfect square, that is n minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2. Okay, so Tn is equal to n minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2. Therefore the question is find 50th term. T50 is equal to 50 minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2. 50 minus 1, 49 whole power 2 plus 2. So 50th term of given series is 49 square plus 2. Option, which one is right option? Option B is the right options. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please note. So remaining 31 to 50, remaining 20 questions, try yourself as homework. Okay students, you solve ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ remaining problems, that is homework.
Yes, sir.
So now here I request you that all of you subscribe my channel. ನನ್ನ ಚಾನೆಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ. My channel name is Rajshekhar Kurvati. So if you subscribe it, you will get second PU CET videos as well as second year PUC, first year PUC theory notes, theory portions. Okay, so all of you should subscribe my channel. Okay students,
Yes, sir.
if you have any doubt, please ask me. Any problem students? No doubt, Rohit? Okay, okay, yes. Now let us stop here. Shall I conclude? Shall I conclude by this session? Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So remaining 20
Thank you, sir.
questions, remaining 20 questions, try yourself as homework. I will send solutions tomorrow. Okay. So God bless you. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you one and all students.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,